Whether you're just sending down the road for a treasure hunt or sending across the country for a new city release, traveling in Upland makes up a large portion of what we do, and knowing how to do it efficiently is going to be very important to ensure that we don't waste our precious UPIX and sends going to the wrong place. Hey everyone, John and Ray here, SSFTG. I hope your adventures in the Metaverse have been stupendously profitable, and your minting adventures have been filled with luck. If this is your first time here, welcome, my friend. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our content coming out every single day. With new cities and locations being added all the time in Upland, traveling is becoming an increasingly more complicated beast, and it's super easy to get lost going the wrong way only to find out that you have to double back and go a different way. To avoid a massive waste of time, UPIX, and opportunity in case you missed the property that you were trying to go for, let's make sure that we're traveling properly first. So here is an incredible guide, and all credit goes to Human Simulation 8346 on Discord. You can see his name right over there. This image is absolutely incredible. So this gives us a guide in terms of how to travel and the ways to do it, in how much it costs and how much time it takes and everything else. So as an example, if we wanted to go from Rutherford to, let's say, Chicago, right? Well, if we want to go from Rutherford to Chicago, an example, we have to follow the lines, and we can see that first we would have to take the train from Rutherford to Manhattan, right? Because nothing else connects up to Chicago, so that we know we would have to take the train to Manhattan. And we know it's a train because of the color. The color's orange, this line is orange, so we know pretty straightforward stuff there. Now, the even cooler part is we know that that should take about 7 minutes, and will cost about 20 UPIX. So we already can start planning ahead as to how long this is actually going to take. Now, once we get beyond that, then we have to go from Manhattan, and then we can take the airplane. Notice this blue line puts Manhattan up here. There's nothing in blue. This is just saying that this is now up here. And then from here, we can take the kind of purpley, whatever color this line, this is a plane. We can take the plane line all the way over to Chicago. Now, this line over here, you follow that up to Chicago. So we've got this guy, whoops, that's the wrong one, right here. So that'll bring us from Manhattan to Chicago, and that will finish our journey. And that, if we look at the overall cost and time and everything else, should be 740 UPIX in about 14 minutes of time. So this means that our total travel cost, if we combine them together, is going to be 760 UPIX, not including the send costs, and 21 minutes of real-world travel time. You can see how this, if you do it accidentally and go the wrong way, can be a massive waste of time and resources. An amazing tool to do this automatically for you was built over in the Upland Guide Discord server. Big shout out to Upland Guide over here. If you need the Discord server link, there is a bot on there that does all of this for you. And this is a really cool tool because it helps show you both the best route for price and speed. It kind of takes the guesswork out of it, and it saves you a ton of time. This video goes over how it all works, and if you're looking for another really awesome content creator to subscribe to, check out Upland Guide because he's got an incredible tool for us to use. Traveling around Upland can be massively confusing sometimes, but hopefully this helps you understand how it works and helps you find the best route to your destination. I like keeping this little screenshot here on my desktop, and obviously I'm already in the Discord server with Upland Guide. So if there's ever a time that I'm looking to travel someplace and I'm just not sure how to do it, it's always a good idea to double check this first so you don't accidentally go the wrong way. Now, if you aren't in Upland yet, make sure to click the referral link in the description. It gets you in the game with some starting UPIX, and if you decide to put some cash into the game, you also get a massive 50% bonus to your first UPIX purchase with a reward cap of 50,000 UPIX. If you snagged 100,000 UPIX in the store, you'd get 150,000 UPIX after the reward. Pretty sick, right? But careful though, you only get this perk if you use the link to register, so make sure not to miss out on the easy UPIX. If you have any questions, comments, topic for a new video, or anything else, just drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you all. Have an amazing time in the Metaverse, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.